Okay, so we're gonna make our hot dog fold. Got our hot dog fold. I'm gonna go to one side where the pages are separate, right? I'm gonna take one down. I'm gonna bring it down so that this side right here ends up down here. So I just make it straight, set it up. Flip it over, I do the same thing on this side. I want this side to be down here. Okay. Okay. Now I want this side of just the top one, I want this side to be down here. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it down here, and I'm going to make a crease. So that's this side down here. Then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to do the same thing with this side. This side I want down here. So every time I fold, I'm really doing the same thing. I'm taking the side that's up here and bringing it down here. This side down here. One more time. Flip it over. This side down here. Okay. Better, Jesus?
I didn't make it that way. I make it a different way.
Okay. And you know what? There's different ways to make airplanes. That's fine. But what I want you guys to do, I want you to try, fly it, and then I want you to try to put cargo in it, put some coins in here, tape it shut. Don't be like Miss Merritt throwing your money all over the house. You go to Miss Merritt's house, you see money all over the floor. She got so much money, she don't even know what to do with it. She's throwing it around all the time. So you get that money, you tape that coin in there, and then go ahead and fly it and see if it changes, okay? Then I want you to do some figuring out. And you can decorate your plane. Nice, nice. You decorate your plane, you can color it, you can do all sorts of things with it. And then if you want to see how to make other planes, look it up. Look it up.
I did it that way.
Good. All right, now I am going to stop presenting and then just get back to the regular screen here. So I want, let's see, use your digital hand. So, or no, you know what? Give me a thumbs up.